Hello guys, welcome to Learn Web. Till now we have completed some part of HTML. Today we are going to start our second language CSS, which stands for Cascading Style Sheet. As I have already told you that CSS is used for decorating our website. Means whatever the elements we will write in our website, what will be its color, its height, its width, all these things we will decide with the help of CSS3. Now let's talk about types of CSS3. So friends, CSS is of three types: inline CSS, internal CSS, and external CSS. What is the difference between in these three types of CSS3? Friends, in inline style CSS, we define the decoration of HTML elements along with them. In internal style CSS, we make a separate section in HTML code, and in that section we define the decoration of all HTML elements. In external style CSS, we make a separate file .css file, and in that file we define the decoration of HTML elements. So friends, before proceed further, I am going to show you how a website look with cascading style sheet and without cascading style sheet. Means if we remove CSS from a website, how it will look like. So you can see on my screen, I have opened a website. In this website, all languages are added like HTML, CSS, JavaScript, PHP, and etc. So friends, you can see this website is looking very good. If I remove CSS from this website, how it will look like? So I am going to remove CSS from this website. So here you can see these are some CSS files added in this website. I am going to delete these CSS files. So delete. Okay. So you can see this website is not looking so good. So friends, you can realize that how our website will look like without CSS and how much we can decorate our website with only CSS, means cascading style sheet. So friends, let's talk about CSS syntax. In syntax, we have two main parts: selector and declaration block. Selector indicates the element that we want to decorate. It can be a paragraph, it can be heading, it can be an image, or it can be anything. In CSS, we declare declaration block by curly brackets, and in curly brackets we have a property and its value. After the value, we put a semicolon that indicate that this statement has been terminated. So take an example. Suppose we want to decorate our paragraph. We write P, that is our selector, and after P we put two curly brackets. In curly brackets we define the property name, and after property name we put a colon, and after colon we put a value of its property, and after property values we put a semicolon to terminate the statement. In this example we have two properties. First is color and second is font size. This means the paragraph has the color red and it has font size of 20 pixels. So friends, let's implement these properties in our Sublime text. So you can see here my last code, and this is the result of this code. Now I want to give color in this paragraph. So for that, go into Sublime text and in paragraph we will use CSS. As we know, CSS is of three types, and today we are going to use inline CSS. So for that we use a style in starting p tag. Okay friends, so I am writing style equals to and double quotes, and in double quotes you have to write the property name. So here I want to give a color to the paragraph, so I'll write color colon then the value of color. I'm writing red, and now save this file. So I'm refreshing my page. You can see the color of this paragraph has been changed. Okay friends, so in this way you can change the color of any HTML element. So friends, now I want to change the font size of this paragraph. After red means property values, I'll put a semicolon to terminate this statement. Then I'll write font size colon. Suppose I'm giving 30 pixel size to this paragraph. Okay, semicolon. Now save this and go to your browser and refresh your page. So friends, you can see the size of the paragraph has been changed. Friends, in this way you can change the color and the font size. So friends, that's all for this video. If you have any doubt, then comment below, and if you like this video, then hit the like button, share this video, and subscribe our channel Learn Web.